guys, it is Cecili Simmons, your favorite realtor, and I want to welcome you to 2169 Jockey Hollow Drive in Kennesaw, Georgia. This property has so many surprises. A couple of the features that immediately jump out are the fact that it has 2 primary suites. One of the primary suites is on the main level. Of course, the second one is on the upper level, features beautiful marble detailing, double vanities. In addition to all of those wonderful highlights, attention to detail and a lot of love and care was put into the backyard because you have a private garden oasis. When you're walking through the backyard, you'll find labels for everything that has been planted to create a garden wonderland. So I thought that was really cool. If the backyard landscaping wasn't enough to push everything over the edge, before you even get to the backyard, you have to walk through a beautiful, serene, screened-in porch. You also have more of the indoor-outdoor feel right off of the primary on the main level, where you'll have an additional sunroom, which also connects to the screened-in porch. So you can have your choice of the outside feel being in that sunroom, but also enjoying the benefits of your heating and air conditioning, or you have the option of walking through the door onto your screened-in porch for a little bit more of an up-close and personal experience with outdoor living. That really stands out is if you come in through the garage, you walk into a gorgeous mudroom with gold finishes and your laundry hookup. It's already set up for the stackable washer and dryer, very stylish. And that takes you right into a very spacious open kitchen with granite countertops and a beautiful gray slate colored cabinetry overlooking your backyard oasis. If you'd like to see this property in person, reach out to me. My contact info will be located somewhere near where you're seeing this video. And I look forward to helping you find your best place to live in Metro Atlanta and the surrounding areas.
This beautiful Kennesaw home has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and is 2,814 square feet. This home offers a layout ideal for multi-generational living. And I'd like to thank the listing agent, Mary McMath, for allowing me the opportunity to tour this property. you enjoyed your tour of this gorgeous Kennesaw home. Which part was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you or someone you know is looking to buy or sell a property in Metro Atlanta or the surrounding areas, reach out to me. I'm happy to help you make your next move your best move in real estate. If you'd like to take a tour of this property in person, I'm also happy to help. Make sure that you like this video, leave me a comment, and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you on the next one.